Hi, good morning everybody. So a quick chat on a new feature on the Victorinox knives, specifically the Swiss Army knives. This one is the companion Alox. As you can see, that comes with scissors, a big flat and bottle opener, but the tool on this side is the one I quickly want to discuss and just show you guys. So it's new to Victorinox, comes in certain of their knives. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Still have a flat screwdriver on that side, and then this piece over here, which is meant for blister packs and opening boxes. So if you can see on this box over here, basically put it in there and you cut. Very simple, relatively straightforward, nothing to it. There the box is open. But what makes this feature stand out for me is blister packs. This is not a very tough blister pack, but it will give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So there you sit with it, it neatly cuts into the blister pack without any issues. And that's the feature that I like the most about this new tool on the Victorinox blade. So you find it on this one, which is the companion knifeless, but you also find it on the this one is the Synergy X, on the Synergy, and then also on the One Fold, which is the new knives from Victorinox, which features a pocket clip and a lockable main blade. And then obviously this little tool, which I think is a great improvement on the Swiss Army knives. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video, and see you out there.